Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an eye look using one of the new Wet n Wild palettes. This is the Rose in the Air palette, and it looks like this. So if you guys are interested in seeing swatches and how these shadows apply for an eye tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay guys, here is the look that I came up with using this beautiful Wet n Wild palette. So let's jump right into what I did to get this look. So I'm going to start off with this cream shadow to kind of cancel out my entire lid all the way up to the brow bone. I'm doing a voiceover because my house is not quiet right now, so I figured a voiceover was the best way to go. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush and this orange shade and buff it into the crease and almost up to the brow bone, almost up to there. Then going in with this mustardy transition shade closer to the actual crease. Then using my Crease concealer, I'm going to take this and a flat brush and just carve out the crease for this eye look so that I have a nice sharp crease line. Then going in with a Party Queen short shader brush, I'm going to go into this gold metallic shade right here and dust it all over the lid. Then I'm going to apply a little Milani setting spray just to lock everything into place. Then taking this deeper red, I'm going to focus this on the outer corner only with my blending brush. Then taking a densely packed short shadow brush, I'm going to go into these colors and smudge them along the lower lash line, mimicking the colors I did on the top, so the orange and then the deep red. Next, I'm taking this STILA liner in amber and I'm going to line my upper lash line just for another pop of orange in this look. Then I'm taking Colourpop's Puppy Liner in the waterline. And finally taking this highlighter palette from Milani to line the brow bone area and the inner corner. Then the final step is adding a little Moncier Big Mascara. But if you close your eyes, here's what the eyes look like all said and done. I think that it turned out beautifully. It's kind of like this warm gold eye look. I think it's really pretty. This would be gorgeous for the fall. I think it just makes blue eyes really pop. So I love how it turned out. I would say that this palette is definitely a thumbs up for me. I have not found a Wet n Wild palette like this that I have not enjoyed yet. The Comfort Zone one is good. Their Poster Child one is good. Their Not a Basic Peach palette, which I do have a tutorial up for that already, is also really, really nice. If you guys are curious what I'm wearing on my lips, it is the Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Brown Sugar, topped off with a little topped with a little peach daiquiri gloss from Buxom, I believe it's called. I thought it went well with this kind of fiery orange look, something a little bit muted but still a little bit peach. So I really love how this look turned out. So let me head over and do swatches, and I'll put these up for you just a second. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch and eye tutorial video for this new palette from Wet n Wild. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!